Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Tiger's Heart. So, let me guess. You got the big dreams, right? You want to make money online, build something of your own, be your own boss, maybe even be famous on YouTube. But also, you spend 20 minutes scrolling TikTok, don't you? Welcome to the club. You are ambitious, but kinda lazy. You got good news. You don't need hustle culture. You just need a smart strategy, low effort, high impact habits, and a tiny bit of consistency. This video will show you exactly how to succeed on YouTube, even if you got a short attention span, low motivation, or zero energy left after work or school. Stay with me because this might be the laziest path to YouTube success you have ever seen. Let's define what we are dealing with. Being lazy doesn't mean you are useless. It means your brain is efficient. You naturally avoid unnecessary effort. Ambition, that is your spark. That is why you're watching this. So the goal is, how do we leverage that spark without burning out? Lazy equals efficient, ambitious equals visionary. Combine them together, you are a strategic creator, not a workaholic. Quick tip, write this down. What is the laziest way I can be consistent on YouTube? We will build it from there. The secret weapon is consistency without burnout. Here is where the most creators fail. They go all in and then burn out in just 3 weeks. But I'm going to show you the lazy creator strategy. Just one video per week, just one. Same format every time. Repetition, less thinking. Batch your effort. Record 3 videos in one afternoon. Done for the whole month. There is even a YouTube channel with more than 1 million subscribers that literally just do reviews on Reddit stories with text to speech. That creator uploads daily, but spends less than 30 minutes a day doing it. You don't need to be a Mr. Beats. You need to show up enough to build trust. So, for finding your lazy, friendly niche, ask yourself, do you love talking? Try commentary or podcast style. You hate being on camera? Try faceless video, storytime, tutorials, explainers video. You love gaming? Stream or clip edits. You like collecting facts? List videos are gold. Here are some perfect niches for lazy creators. Reacting videos. React on any kind of videos. Voiceover top 10 seconds videos. Compilation or curation channels. Faceless AI content. News, motivation, finance, whatever you want. And finally, using templates and automation. Here some extra pro tip. Do something you can talk about for 30 minutes without effort. That is your gold mine. If you are lazy, make the tools work harder than you. So, you need to find these extra tools. You can use ChatGPT for scripts. You can use Canva or CapCut for editing videos. Use Descript to edit videos like a Word document. Use Pictory in video Runway for faceless content videos. And finally, you can use Notion for idea tracking and batch planning. Here is how you can make low effort, high return work videos. You can make script with AI. AI do all the job. Then you can create voiceover for that script. You can read it yourself or AI read it for you. Then just drop that clips into the template, I don't know, in CapCut, and you are ready to go. The final step is just upload and schedule your video. Here is something about monetization for you lazy legends. You don't need a million views. You need smart monetization. Here are some fast monetization tips. Put some affiliate links from your niche, like, I don't know, texts, books, courses. You can sell Notion templates, PDF, or run a mini courses online. You can have some sponsorship, even small channels get them. Don't be shy to ask some sponsors to sponsor you. You can also turn your content into digital products and sell them online. Here is one lazy strategy. Make just one great video that points people to a product. That is passive income, 100%. Here are some mindset tweaks. You don't need to change who you are. You need to understand your energy. Here are some quick mindset shifts. Done is better than perfect. That means you have to make a video, and that is better than don't make any video. I will do something even if it is small. I can make trash now, but later I will make art. I only need 1,000 true fans. Here are some motivation hack. Track your streaks. Even 3 weeks of effort can snowball into results. Lazy creators win by avoiding burnout and just staying in the game. And guys, listen up. You don't need to hustle 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, or something like that. You don't need some fancy gear. You don't need some equipment. You only need your mobile phone for start. You don't even need to spend your energy every day. For start, only 1 time a week. In the beginning, you will only need one idea, one format, 1 day a week, and one goal. Stay consistent. Being creator isn't easy, but also being creator isn't hard. Find the way that suits you and just be consistent. So guys, if this strategy clicked for you, just subscribe. I will keep giving you the lazy success strategies out there. You got the ambition. I will help you move just enough to make it real. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.